Happy day 6 of Vlogmas. So today I thought I would walk through my December 21 December daily, but what I did was actually more of a December scrapbook instead of like the daily concept from Ali Edwards. So I designed the cover and the back cover and the spine. So I'm going to show you that first. And I started with a regular craft. Um, what is this? I think it's 8.5 by 11. It's like a 3-ring binder. So I started with the craft and then I covered it with all of the Christmas holiday stuff. And I actually stuck with traditional colors more so because that's what I had purchased as far as all of the, stickers and stuff were concerned. And so I really wanted to use those up. So I'm going to just turn it to the side here. So I love these stickers. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby. And then I tried to do this thing where I covered the white snowflakes in glitter and it kind of didn't work well, but it's all good. It's crafting. And so that happens. And then these stickers, I believe, also came from Hobby Lobby. This paper here and in the background, I got quite a few years before. And I believe I got this maybe from Joann's, but it was in a paper pack. And then I used some washi tape that I had that is red glitter for the outside. And then for the spine, I used some Cookie Sticker Co. drip washi in gold, and then a couple stickers. And I believe I got all of these stickers from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. Then on the back here is more paper from that paper pack and the same thing. So I outlined it in red washi tape and then had some stickers here from Hobby Lobby. And I did overlay all of this with a little Mod Podge just so it would stay. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I'm really proud of this. It is the first time that I've done like a December scrapbook because in 2020, I had bought all of the stuff and I was aiming to do it and then I just didn't get to it. So I really worked hard in 2021 to get everything together so that I could participate. So when you open it, first of all, I also did the inside cover and the spine here. So the spine here matches what was on the outside cover as far as the washi tape. And then I continued the gold themed washi on the inside, used a couple papers and just kind of like ripped them apart and collaged them. And then there's a sticker here and it says Merry Christmas. And I believe this one is from the Teresa Collins sticker set. And then make sure my camera doesn't mess up here, but I'll just show you the back cover is the same kind of theme, just ripping the papers apart and then collaging them and then using the gold drip washi with the Teresa Collins sticker here. So let's go to the first page. So the first page, I just have the stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby, the little deers, and then it says DC for December, and that's my intro page. And then, of course, you cannot start the holiday without your Starbucks cup. So that was the Starbucks cup, and it's actually the first year I started collecting the Christmas cups. So I have the one from this year, which is 2022 as well. And I'll probably show you that when I do my 2022 video. So there's that. There's a picture here. There's a picture of Cupcake wrapped in his Christmas blanket. He got that from our neighbors in California. In 2021, we had just moved to Florida, so he loves his little blanket that he got from from our neighbors. And then this is what was supposed to be kind of like day 1. But like I said, I kind of just made sure that I was doing a scrapbook instead of, but I may go back in there because I do remember like the things that happened and all of that and talking about like this picture. So I may go back in there and then put some words in here to finish it out. And if so, I would have to do that this weekend so that I could work on the 2022 one. I'm already starting to collect stuff for that. And then this is day 2. Of course, that's me and Cupcake cuddling. and then him on his blanket, day 2. And then I also scrapped like the bags and stuff from Panera or Starbucks or wherever I was shopping at the time, and then use some little puffy stickers to hold those down on the Christmas themed paper. Oh, I'm going to have to put this back because it's coming out. It's really thick, you guys. So for this year, I have to make sure that I have a thick enough binder. And then this is just a design I did. This is more Panera bag paper. And then the drip washi from Cookie Sticker Co. The reindeer stickers. And then these little puffy retro stickers that I loved and I saw, and I believe I got those from Hobby Lobby. Day 3, because I did do Vlogmas last year. So, and I'm doing it this year, obviously, because this is a Vlogmas video. This was day 4. My mom and I went out to the town center in Jacksonville, and we're having, it's a non-alcoholic beverage, but it was so good. And then I did some shopping, some gift shopping. So I was at Kate Spade. So I put that bag here, I cut it down, and then have some gold glitter paper in here. And then I may go back, like I said, and just put the commentary in. Oops. And this has fallen out, but this was a Christmas card that I received. So I like scrapbooked all of those and try to get this back in here. There we go. So I may like stick those down better so that they don't come out. And then here I did a collaboration with C'est Moi. And then there was a video that I did about my exercise journey at the time. I was really trying to get back into shape, and I still am. And then this was my parents' door. So I took a picture of that and have that in here as well because I was living with them at the time, me and Cupcake. This is a picture of me and my best friend on day 6. So we were standing beside my mom's tree. Another Christmas card, scrapbooking all of those. Day 7, so this was actually when I was building my house, and I do have a video of that process now that it's done and I'm in my house. So I will link that as well below so you guys can watch that. But this was my home building process, so I may go back, like I said, and put some text in there and talk about it a little bit. Day 8, these were the Christmas cards I was receiving. So I did this scrapbooking Christmas card swap, and I'm doing it again this year. So I've sent the cards out and I'm waiting for mine to come in, but these are from those. So pretty. So I scrapped them. What's really supposed to happen with them is it's like an artist swap. So you're getting Christmas cards from another scrapbooker, and then you're supposed to send them out to your family or, whoever. But I keep the cards because they're so beautiful, and I like to put them in the December daily. 9 and 10. So I have to go back and put the pictures. There's pictures. You'll see there's like a set of pictures in the back that I hadn't put in, but I need to. And then this is a card that I received. So I scrapbooked that and scrapbooked the envelope. And then my friend and I and her daughter had like an art day. And so I put this in there. I think this is my friend's drawing because she wasn't happy with it. And I was like, well, I'm going to put it in my December daily. So blah, blah. And then here is another Christmas card from my sorority sister and her family. And then I just put that on the Christmas paper to like give that a little pop up. And then this is day 11 and 12. So I have to put something in there. This is my Starbucks because I was at Starbucks a lot during the holidays. I always am. And so this was the Starbucks bag that I scrapbooked. Another one of the artist card swaps is in here. And so I kept that. That has its own place. 13 and 14. I need to put their pictures in there. Those days' pictures. And this was, again, the home building process. So I just got a bigger picture printed out, and I use free prints to print out my pictures when I'm doing it like this. And just FYI. So this is another greeting card from my sorority. So I put that in here again on the paper background. My aunt, she wrote a book, and this was like the precursor to that book that all of the family got. So I put that in there because I received that around the holidays. And day 15 and 16, I still have to put the pictures in there. This is a bigger picture of the picture I showed you guys before of us standing in front of the tree. And then a bigger picture of the door, my parents' doors. I need to finish 17. Here is the Sanglamini family. And I love keeping so if you guys send me a card, like I keep your card. I have cards from years, and I get cards from the Sanglamini family every year, and I keep them. I don't throw away like the holiday cards or pretty much any cards. I scrapbook them, so that's there. This is a larger picture of the routine that I did when I did the collaboration, and then this is let's see, yeah, these I still have to fill in. More Christmas cards in the back. I still have to fill in these. I'm just proud I made it this far. And this is like all the stuff I have to like fill in there. So it's here. I just haven't done it yet. And then we went to Pottery Barn, so I have the Pottery Barn paper thing. And then again, the back cover. So that is my December daily, if you will, or really it's a December scrapbook for 21. And I have not started 22s yet, but I have like all the stuff gathered. So I will be starting that this weekend so I can get kind of up to speed. And here's my doggy woggy. Well, okay. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys do the December daily or December scrapbook and what type of setup you guys did, because I'm always looking for more ways that I can be creative and look at scrapbooking December differently. So if you guys have any ideas, leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.